hadin ba Justin bebe ula kala bamut namar kacing un kacing pang kiba life charge ula adik ki drugs bat kicing di kiba pun charge dawai kiba snio kiban pan subhai u ndai mental kala bamut badi ilu haba ki priyo ki snap ki jinwa ki chung u kapor ba ukwa pan kala bamut ba urwai ba ki priyo ki chung mat urwai shpang Jesus Christ pan menta pan ula nang kala pat kala susu pat ulai ro yu Jisu ban uang bo lu Jesus Christ ula pen em ula save ka ching em ka chung ndai tu ngin pa ka dur chung ka por bu pang ki mat
See,
ki
this
shu
eye is not blinking. I can't smile on this side of
i shliang ka mat ki shu ndai menta pan i ba ul chao ki umat ban ula kala ka
and they're
mat
looking
skap ka
for
ibu
a
kren
way out, and they're looking for an escape, and they're looking for truth, and they're looking for yeah. And I've gotten the opportunity with my journey to just see a God who accepts me, loves me. They call him the Savior, and I believe that to be true. That Jesus saved me. I've experienced so much in my short life. I've seen so much. I've experienced a lot of, things that a lot of people would look and think that would bring such fulfillment, whether it's things and cars and clothes and money and stuff and girls. And I've had a lot of stuff that really left me empty. And so I really started looking to find fulfillment. And, I realized that, the things that I thought were going to continue to give me that fulfillment, that still to this day, I feel these lies that say, hey, well, if you just get this, you'll be happy. And if you get this, you'll be happy. I think I really took a deep dive at the condition of my soul, and I was just hurting and broken. And so I asked God, I said, if you're real, I need you to kind of show me. And I think it says in the Bible, if you seek me, you will find me. And rather than seeking after these other things, I just kind of started looking to God, and he showed me, that I was worth saving, that I was worth dying on the cross for, that I was worth, that my life was worth